What's up guys, welcome back. Huawei has an attractive smartwatch lineup with devices like Huawei Watch GT2 and GT2e. But if rumors are to be believed, then those wearables will soon be joined by Huawei Mate Watch. That's right, earlier in May, the company filed a trademark for Mate Watch. Now according to a new tip from the same tipster who spotted the trademark, the so-called Huawei Mate Watch might run Hongbang OS aka Harmony OS. As per the roadmap shared by the company at Huawei Developer Conference 2019, Harmony OS 2.0 will be released this year with support for PC, cars and smart wearables. Hence, it is possible for the upcoming Huawei Mate Watch to run Harmony OS instead of Huawei Lite OS found on its current smartwatches. Using this Harmony OS would certainly offer a potential Huawei Mate Watch with increased functionality and utility over the Watch GT2 series. Besides the operating system that the device would run and the benefits the OS could bring, there is no additional information about Mate Watch. We hope that the Chinese company would reveal more about the upcoming smartwatch soon. But that's not the end. The tipster also says that the wearable might launch alongside Mate 40 series on Chinese National Day, which will be celebrated on October 1st. This goes in line with the previous leak which suggested the launch of Huawei Mate 40 series to take place in October as scheduled. In short, as per a recent rumor, the upcoming Huawei Mate Watch would operate with Harmony OS that would represent an improvement over the Lite OS, the system that runs on the current gen of smartwatches from the Chinese manufacturer. The new Mate Watch is expected to launch on October 1st along with the Mate 40 series. On a related note, the Mate 40 series was rumored to be postponed due to stiff ban by US government. This time it extended the ban to non-American companies that uses American technology. Well, the target for this is TSMC. Although TSMC is a Taiwanese company, it uses a lot of American technology. This means that TSMC cannot work for the Chinese manufacturer, and that in turn delayed the production of chipsets for the next flagship Mate 40 series. Now, a new information from China suggests the US ban won't affect the current batch of Kirin 1000 and 1020 chipsets. Orders for those chipsets were in place long before the US sanctions towards TSMC came through. The company will have to figure things out after the Kirin 1000 and 1020, as it seems like TSMC won't be able to manufacture next-gen flagship SoCs. But for now, you don't have to worry. The Huawei Mate 40 series will be the first to use it, and as I said before, it will launch on October 1st alongside Huawei Mate Watch. So that's it for this video, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.